Find the perfect blend of comfort, community, and convenience at the Reef Student Living in Fort Myers. Your student accommodation waiting to be stepped into. Pick from elegant 2, 4, and 5 bedroom apartments featuring private bedrooms and private bathrooms with premium wood-style flooring in common areas, a huge smart TV for movie marathons, and individually keyed deadbolts on all bedroom doors for extra security. Say goodbye to unexpected expenses with inclusive utilities and reserved parking to store your wheels. Fit in intense workouts at any time at the 24-hour fitness center, or get your focus mode on in private study rooms with lightning speed Wi-Fi. Florida Gulf Coast University and Lutgett Hall College are located just a short drive away for an easy commute. Catch a bus at Pine Chase at Cypress View Drive bus stop, or Pine Chase at Pineapple Road bus stop, and explore the city with friends on the weekends. So book your spot at the Reef Student Living in Fort Myers today via amberstudent.com.